The Pattern Edge Template Editor allows you to add, copy, remove, or edit existing templates. In the Pattern Edge Templates section, you can choose to add a new template, copy an existing template from the drop-down to make changes to it, or remove templates entirely. The Restore button returns the template to its previously used settings. This option restores the last saved configuration, not the default settings. In the Pattern Edge template settings, you can use these settings to configure and customize a Pattern Edge template. The template name defines the name of the Pattern Edge template. Checking Apply Twin will apply all of the below settings to the selected edge and its neighboring edge. Offset defines the seam allowance or hem amount, as well as the measurement unit that will be used. The twin offset value can be set so that it is different from the offset value. The start and end conditions determine the start or end condition of a pattern edge. The edge start and end are defined by the split points, which are the cyan dots seen on the pattern pieces. The start and end go in a counterclockwise direction along a pattern piece. When the start and end conditions are set to none, sets a 90-degree angle from the piece edge end towards the seam allowance end. When trim extend is selected, both neighboring seam allowances are extended until they meet at the corner. Chamfer angle sets the angle from the edge end towards the seam allowance end. Chamfer neighbor sets the angle from the edge end so that the seam allowance end matches the opposite edge when flipped. Truncate start and end spike removes sharp corner spikes by trimming them back using a distance threshold. The amount of trimming is calculated by multiplying the offset distance by the truncate value. For example, if the offset distance is 6 millimeters and the truncate value is 1, the spike will be trimmed at 6 millimeters from the corner. The geometry profile can be set to either natural or line. Natural offsets the seam allowance out following the profile of the selected edge, and line creates a straight line from the edge start and end points. Once you are done editing a pattern edge template, click Close. You will see a pop-up window stating that one or more pattern edge templates have been modified. If you would like to save the changes, click Yes. If you didn't mean to make any changes, click No.